Your phone buzzes at 3 in the morning and your heart skips a beat. You grab it from the nightstand. You squint through the blinding brightness of the screen. It turns out to be a stray cat or a tree branch waving at your front porch. This is the moment you realize that not all smart home tech is built the same way. Most people assume that picking out a video doorbell is a simple decision, but the real differences are buried deep in the software. The brains of the device matter more than just the glass of the lens. Take the two most popular versions of the latest smart doorbell line from a major tech company. One is a reliable classic that covers all your bases. The other looks almost identical but promises to stop those annoying middle-of-the-night phantom alerts. When you hold them side by side, you might feel a bit confused. They are visual twins. They both share that sleek, dark, minimalist look. They both stick to your door frame without needing an electrician. But once you actually fire them up, the gap starts to widen. You sync them to your wireless network and the performance shift becomes clear. The older version uses a standard heat sensing trigger. It tells you whenever anything moves. It is great at catching movement, but it is a bit of a blunt instrument. It sees a heat signature, and it yells at your phone immediately. If a car drives by and the sun reflects off the chrome, your phone is going to scream. Now, the upgraded version changes the game with much smarter processing. It does not just look for heat, it looks for specific human shapes. It knows the difference between a person and a bush blowing in the wind. That shift from simple sensing to actual intelligence is huge. It is the biggest reason to consider the newer model. Then you have to think about what happens when the sun goes down. Most cameras struggle when the lighting is tricky. The original version does a decent job. But the image can get grainy. It looks muddy and dark. The updated model uses much better noise reduction technology. It cleans up the image in real time. You get a crisp look at the delivery driver. You see the package clearly on the mat. You also have to consider the battery life. Nobody wants to be climbing a ladder every 2 weeks to charge their doorbell. The newer version has tweaked the internal power management. It is far more efficient. It stays alive longer, which means less maintenance for you. If you are a renter, both of these are fantastic. They do not require you to tear out any wires. But if your street is busy, that older model is going to suffer. It will drain its battery by reacting to every passing vehicle. The newer one is much more selective. It waits for something that actually matters. You are paying a little more for the peace of mind. You get fewer interruptions during your dinner. It comes down to whether you want a simple witness or a truly smart guard. For someone just starting out, the classic model is a steal. It gives you that eye on the street for a low price. But if you have lived through a doorbell that cries wolf, the upgrade is the only way to go. You get better night vision. You get better battery. You get a brain that actually knows what it is looking at.